Good evening everyone, welcome back once again. I am Nazif Usman. So in this video I'm going to show you how to design this data advert flyer. Okay, so for you to design this flyer, the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to your own Canva interface, click the plus button and choose a custom size of 3200 by 3200. Okay, so after you must have choose a custom size of 3200 by 3200, it will take you to this place. Okay, so once it take you here, you are going to click on this plus sign to go and import this design from your phone gallery to use it as your reference material. Okay, to guide you do your design. But once you import this from your phone gallery, you can add as many pages as you want. Let me click on this one. This plus sign that you are seeing now, once we click on it, you are going to add another page. Okay, so that will be using for your design. But for you to be able to do this, if you click on this three dot of here, if you click on this three dot, so make sure you choose this thumbnail view. Okay, if you click on this scroll view, I explained this during introduction to Canva. You see, you'll be able to scroll them like this. Okay, and if you click on this grid view, let me show you how it's going to look like. You see, that is how it is going to look for you. So I suggest you usually click on this thumbnail view. Okay, you shall make use of this thumbnail view. Okay, so once we click on this thumbnail view, you are going to click on this plus sign to add another page. So as you can see now, I have successfully added another page. So the next thing that you do is you continue with your design. Click on this plus sign here, click on this shelf here, then you come and position it somewhere around here. You will make use of your hand to increase its size like this, to make sure it covers everywhere like this. Okay, then you go and change the color to this particular ash color. Perfect. So what to do next now is click on this plus sign here. Okay, then click on this circle shape. Okay, this circle shape. So after you click on it, then you will come and position it somewhere around here. You go and change the color to white color. Okay, so what to do next is click on this plus sign again, then you go and search for frame. Okay, you go and search for frame and wait for it to load. You scroll down like this to go and look for the exact frame I use. Okay, so this is the frame. This circle frame with border is the frame I use. So you just click on it like this. Once you click on it like this, as you can see now, it has two colors. Okay, sorry, let me click on it. It has two colors, the frame color and the border color. Okay, so you are going to change the border color to white color like this. Okay, then you'll go and position it somewhere around here, place it here. So the next thing that to do now is you are going to click on this plus sign again, come to this gallery, then you are going to import one particular shadow. Okay, so I sent you the shadow already. You are going to import it, take it out like this. Okay, because I want to accomplish something with this shadow. You'll come and position it here, click on this plus sign to duplicate it. Okay, I'm going to make use of two shadow here. So the next thing that to do now is click on this swap page here, then you go and lock it. Okay, click on this lock sign to lock it here. Okay, so after you have successfully locked it, the next thing that to do now is click on this shadow here. Let me increase its size like this. Then you come and take it and place it on top of this shape like this. Okay, let me reduce the size of the shadow a little bit. Okay, you take it like this and position it somewhere around here. So the next thing that to do now is you will scroll like this, click on this position, then you click on this backward to take the shadow to back. Okay, so after you have taken the shadow to back, the next thing to do now is you click on this page here, unlock it, Okay, then you go and change the color to white color. Perfect. You see, then you go back and lock it again. So if you look at this thing very well, you will see that I've been able to accomplish something here. You see, I form the shape and the shadow, and this white background didn't hide my circle shape because I put a particular shadow behind it. So one particular magic perform here. So what we'll do next now is we are going to match this shape, okay, together with the shadow. Let me shift it a little bit, shift it properly like this. So we are going to match them together. So for you to be able to match them together, you will press this shape like this with your hand. After you press it, then you come to this select multiple, okay, click on it. After you click on it, then you click here, okay. So if you find it difficult to select this shadow, you can click on this frame here, okay, then you come to this place, sorry, I don't want to select the background, okay, I don't want to select the background. Let me press it back, select multiple. You see I've been able to select this shadow behind this shape, okay. So what to do next now is you click on this frame to cancel it. The reason why for you clicking this frame is for it to be able to help you select this shape together with the shadow together, okay. So what to do next now is you come to this group here, click on this group here to group them together, okay. So once you group them together, you'll be able to move them together anywhere you want. You see, I match this shadow together with this shape. So what to do next now is, okay, you click on this shadow here, for she is somewhere around here like this. You come to this frame and place it on top of this shadow like this, okay, place it on top of the shadow. So after you place this frame on top of the shadow, next thing that to do now is you are going to match them together too. You are going to match this frame together with the shadow together. You are going to match them. So you will press it like this, okay, click on select multiple. Let me press it again, select multiple. So if you find it difficult to do that, you can click on this shape again, okay, then you come and select this one. I don't want to select this one here. Let me press it, select multiple. Let me select this one. I don't know what is giving me this problem. Okay, so let me increase the size of this shadow a little bit for me to be able to select it, okay. So let me place this frame on top of it like this. Let me reduce the size. Perfect. So make sure you position it properly. Let me try and select them together and see. Select multiple. Let me select this shape and see if I will be able to select it. Okay, so one thing that I want to do now is let me go to position. Let me go to position and take it to back. Okay, So because I have found it difficult to select them together, that's why I'm taking it to back. So let me long press it and see if it will work. Select multiple. Sorry. Select multiple. Finally, I have been able to select them together. You see. So I suggest you shall take this shadow to back. Okay, for you to be able to select it in an easy way. Okay, so once you select them together, the next thing that you do now is you will scroll like this, click on this group, okay, to group them together. So once you group them together like this, you see you'll be able to move them together, this frame together with the shadow. So you will scroll, you will reduce the size of it like this, okay, then you'll go and position it on top of this particular shape, okay, you will position it on top of this one. Let me reduce the size, let me increase the size. Perfect. Good. Okay, so next thing that to do now is you are going to select them together, this frame and this shape. Click on select multiple, select them together. Okay, then you go ahead and click on this group, okay, to group them together too. So once you group them together, you see I've been able to achieve this. You are going to reduce the size of this guy like this. You can and position it somewhere around here. Okay, click on this plus sign to duplicate it, position it here. Click on this plus sign to duplicate it 4 times. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do now is you are going to import one particular frame here. So you click on this plus sign. So this is the toughest part of this flyer, okay, for you to be able to match the shelf, the frame together. So you have to follow every step one by one, come down, straight down, and follow it, and you will be able to make it. Okay, so you click on this plus sign here, come to this element. Okay, so you are going to take out one particular frame that I use. So let me scroll down like this. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and use this one, this frame. I hope you will be able to see it. Although it is not the exact one I use, let me delete it. Frame. Let me start searching it from the beginning. So you see, this is the frame I use. This frame. Okay, you are going to click on it. So once you click on this frame here, you are going to reduce the size of it like this. Okay, position it properly like this. Then you are going to click on this plus sign to duplicate it, position it here, duplicate it again. So you are going to move them very close. Okay, you are going to move them close to each other like this. So you can make use of your notes for perfect position. Let me reduce the size of this a little bit. Okay, let me delete the rest. Let me duplicate it. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do now is, after you have come to this place, you click on the first one here. Okay, you go to color here and change the color to yellow. Okay, change it color to yellow color. Okay, so after you have changed the color to yellow, then click on this one, go and change the color to green color, to red color. Sorry, change the color to red. Okay, So let me just change the color to green color. Okay, let me just change it to green. So if you look on this guy here, change it to red. If you look on this guy, change it to black. Okay, so the very next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to take this one here, this one down here. Okay, then you come to this position, then you click on forward. Okay, take it front. After taking it front, then you are going to position it properly like this. Okay, then you can make use of your notes for perfect positioning. You can make use of your notes for perfect positioning. So what to do next now is you come to this place, click on this replace to go replace it with any MTL logo. Okay, so let me go and look for any MTL logo and choose it and use it. So let me just use this one. Okay, so you see I replace this one with this MTL logo. So you can reduce the size of it like this. Okay, position it here. So the next thing that to do now is you click on this one again, reduce its size like this, then you come and position it properly somewhere around here. You come to this position, okay, click on this position and take it to forward. Okay, forward. So once you have taken it to front, you will position it properly like this. Okay, then you are going to click on this replace to replace it with any glow logo. Okay, so let me go and look for any glow logo. Sorry, let me go and look for any glow logo. So I'm going to send you the logo already, all the logos. Perfect. So you'll do something with this one. Okay, let me position this MTN one very well, properly. Make sure they are aligned. These two lines show that they are vertically and horizontally aligned. Okay, so you are going to reduce the size of this one to like this. You come to this position, yeah. Then you go and you go to position forward. Okay, then you go and click on this replace and look for any ITEL logo. Okay, so here it is. So you come to this one, reduce its size like this. Okay, position is somewhere around here. Okay, so you come to this position where it is this position. You click on forward to take it to front. Okay, then you click on this replace to replace it with any non-mobile logo. Okay, so let me just make use of this one. Perfect. So you see I've been able to accomplish this part. Okay, so this is the toughest part of this flyer. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to click on this plus sign here. You come to this shelf, this element, sorry. Then you make sure you search for shelf. Okay, so I have this shelf already here. So you'll come to this place, you reduce its size like this. Okay, properly like this. Then you'll come and position it somewhere around here. Okay, so you can keep on looking at your reference material to guide you do this thing. Okay, so the next thing that you'll do now is you are going to click on this plus sign up here, click on this circle shelf. Okay, then you are going to reduce size properly like this. you come and position it somewhere around here like this. Make sure they align together. Click on this plus sign to duplicate it. You come and position it here. Make sure they align to each other. Okay, so what we'll do next now is you click on this plus sign here, come to this element, then you are going to search for WhatsApp icon. Okay, WhatsApp icon. Okay, let me search for WhatsApp icon. So you will see many WhatsApp icon here. You will see many of them. So let me choose this one. All this one that you are seeing now written through, you will not be able to use them unless you are using a Canva Pro. Okay. So let me go and change the color to white color. You can place it somewhere around here. Change the color to white. Let me change the color to white. Okay. So I still have to reduce the size of it. Okay. And position it on top of this shelf. So next thing that to do now is click on this plus sign again. Then you go and search for call icon. Call icon. Okay, so this is the one. You can just use this one, the first one. Yeah. Okay, so once we choose the first one here, you see it has two colors. So we are going to change this black color to green. Only the black color to green. Okay, then you reduce the size of this one like this. Then you come and position it somewhere around here on top of this shape. Perfect. So next thing that we'll do now is you can start inputting your text. Okay, so let me go and write something. Yeah, you come to this text. Okay, let me write something here. Nazib's graphic. Okay, so this is what I have written here. Nazib's graphic. So you click on it, reduce the size like this. Okay, then you click on this font here and change the font to this Mont Bold font. Okay, so it is a Pro font. You will be able to use this font unless you are using Canva Pro. Okay, perfect. So what to do next now is you click on this plus sign of here. You come over to this element. Then you are going to search for NZ logo. Okay, so you can search for any alphabet logo you want. So I'm going to search for NZ logo for myself. Okay, so you will see many of them here, plenty of them. So this is the one I use. It's a Pro one. You know you are able to use it unless you are using Canva Pro. So you see it has two colors. So what we'll do next now is you click on it, you change this first color to green color. Okay, then you click on the second color and change it to red color. Perfect. So what we'll do next now is you reduce the size of the logo, then you will position it up here like this, somewhere around here. So the next thing that we'll do now is click on this writing, duplicate it like this. Click on this font here. You go and change the font to Montserrat Classic font. Okay, then you are going to insert, you are going to input all the price of the services. Okay, so I have them already in my notebook. Let me go to my notebook where it is. Okay, I have them already in my notes, so I'm just going to copy it. Yeah, okay, copy it. Then I'll come back to this place, click on edit. Then I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, perfect. So what I'll do next now is I'm just going to reduce the size of this font size. Okay, so let me reduce the size like this. Position is somewhere around here properly. Okay, so perfect. So next thing that I'll do now is I'll come to this golo, second one here. Okay, so let me go and copy it. Okay, let me go and copy the price on the golo. Copy it. Okay, so I copy it. Then let me come and copy this right text up here. So let me delete it. Let me copy this one. Place it here. Edit. I'm going to delete everything here. And I'm just going to paste it. Okay, so you see I paste this below price. So what we'll do next now is make sure they are aligned together. Okay, so you come to this color here, change the color to white. Okay, after I've changed the color to white, make sure you position it properly at the center. Okay, you can make use of your. So what we'll do next now is we'll come to this spacing here. Okay, then you are going to include this line spacing. Okay, unless they are aligned very well like this. Perfect. So what we'll do next now is you copy the same text, place it here. Okay, after you place it here, then you go and copy the Airtel prices. Okay, Airtel price, copy it. Then you click on this edit. Delete everything here. Okay, then you paste it here. Okay, after you paste it here, position it properly like this. You come to this spacing, you include the line spacing. Okay, like this. So next thing that we'll do now is you copy this, the same thing, position it somewhere around here. Then you go and copy the prices for non-mobile. Okay, so you can arrange all the prices in your notebook. Then you just go and copy them and paste, as simple as that. Okay, so let me edit it. Let me delete and input non-mobile prices. Yes. So you can zoom it for you to be able to see what you are doing. Sorry. Let me adjust this one very well like this. Let me copy this one. Sorry. Let me copy it again. Edit. Okay, let me go and copy this mobile price. Okay, so you are going to do the same thing. Let me just copy the price first. Okay, let me copy the price first. So once you copy the price, Okay, so you can just go and take another. If this thing is giving you problem, you can just go and take out another text like this. Okay, so let me go and edit it. Yes. Okay, then you reduce the size of it. So you go and change the color to white color here. Okay, then you come to this font and use most regular font. Perfect. So let me reduce the size. Still I need to reduce the size. So okay, so you can make use of one size. Okay, one size. Let me leave it 75. Sorry, 75 only. Seriously, this video is getting longer. Getting long. One size. Let me just leave it 70. Okay. So you come to this spacing. Then you are going to increase this one a little bit down here, like this. Okay. Position this text properly. I still have to reduce the size of the font. Let me just reduce it to 65. Perfect. Okay, so don't worry about the timing of the video. Okay, just calm down, settle down, follow everything I explain step by step. You will be able to make it. Okay, so next thing that to do now is you are going to try this instant delivery and 2 knots customer services, and you are going to write these phone numbers exactly though you see them inside the reference material. Okay, so after you have successfully done with your design, the next thing that to do now is you can click on this reference material to delete it. Okay, to just go and save our work. Okay, or you can just click on this guy here that is looking forward. Okay, to go and save our design. So once you click on it, you just want to click on this download here. Okay, so once you click on this download, you see you are going to choose the particular page that you want to download. So I'm going to download page 2 only. You click on done, download. So you see, preparing your design. This design is preparing. Okay, so we are going to wait a little bit for your design to finish preparing. So once your design finished preparing, it is going to save into your phone gallery. Okay, you are going to see it inside your phone gallery in a Canva folder. Okay, so it is as simple as this. Settle down and follow everything step by step. You will be able to make it. Okay, that is very simple. So let's wait for this design to finish preparing. So I guess it's a network problem, that's why. Okay, so once this design finish preparing, it is going to save into our phone gallery as simple as this. Thank you. See you in the next class.